Vedas Pure Ginger Essential Oil is just best for joint pain, cervical and muscle relaxation. Blend this essential oil in a base oil and massage it on the parts that are paining to get instant relief from joint pain and muscle stiffness. This organic ginger root essential oil is known for its digestive properties too. Just rub a diluted form of this oil over the area of your stomach that is paining and get a quick relief from indigestion and upset tummy. It also treats cold feet. Just blend it with a coconut oil or jojoba oil and massage your feet nicely. And yes, don't forget to rub it on the pulse points for instant relief. It provides relief from cold too. Just apply a few drops on the throat from the outer and you are done. Our natural ginger root oil is also very good for skin and hair. So, to get this pure essential oil, book your bottle now and speak with our health expert too.